Have you always wanted to learn crochet but don't know where to start? You're in the right place. Hi there, welcome to Crafts Wonders. Today I'll show you the 5 essential crochet stitches that every beginner should know. By the end, you'll be ready to start your very first project. First, you'll need a crochet hook. I recommend using a 3mm hook which is easy to hold and works well with medium weight yarn. You can choose a soft yarn in any color you like. You will also need the scissors. Let's start with a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your finger like this. Hold here. Pull out the yarn from your finger. Insert the hook into your circle. Pull through the yarn. And tighten it. Then we will pull only the long side of the yarn and tighten it onto your hook. That's the slip knot. Next is the chain stitch, and it is the foundation of most projects. We will hold your yarn like this. 1, 2, and 3. And then hold the yarn by our fingers like this. Simply yarn over here, yarn over, and then pull through the loop on your hook. That's the chain stitch. 3 more. Yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, and we yarn over and pull through the loop. Very good. So we now have 1, 2, 3, 4 chain stitches here. Next, single crochet. We will start on the second stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over here, pull through. We now have 2 loops here. We will yarn over again and pull through both loops. 2 more. We will insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through both loops. 1 more single crochet on the last stitch. Insert your hook, and then yarn over. Pull through the loop, yarn over again, and we pull through both loops. Perfect! Then is the half double crochet. We will usually make 2 chain stitches and turn before working on it. Okay, so we'll yarn over, insert your hook into the first stitch, and we will yarn over, pull through the loop. We now have 3 loops here, right? We will then yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. 2 more. We will yarn over, insert your hook on the next stitch, yarn over here, pull through the loop, and then yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Last one, we will be yarning over, insert your hook, and we yarn over here, pull through, we'll yarn over again, and pull through all 3 loops. Nice work! And we practice 3 half double crochet here. Last, double crochet. We will usually make 3 chain stitches and turn before working on it. So how to do it? We will yarn over, and then insert your hook on the first stitch. And we will be yarning over and pull through. You should now have 3 loops here, and what now? We will yarn over and pull through only 2 loops, and we yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Okay, so a bit different with the half double crochet. 2 more. We will be yarning over insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through the first two, yarn over again, and pull through the last two loops. Good. One more, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over here, and pull through. Then yarn over, pull through the first two loops, yarn over, and pull through the last two loops. Great work, and there are 3 important tips for you. Number 1, don't crochet too tightly, as it will be hard to insert your hook. Number 2, please keep practicing and try to keep your stitches even. Number 3, be patient. There you have it, 5 essential stitches to start your crochet journey. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials.